Hiring someone to create your website can be a challenging task because every web designing company has its own process which is different than everyone else. And you want to know what really goes into building your website, but without devoting hours on the phone talking to five web designers and wasting your precious time. That's why I'm making this video where I will walk you through our entire process of designing a website from start to finish so you know exactly what you can expect at every stage when you hire us to build your website. So here are the 15 steps we use to create a high-performing website that works well for your business. Our process usually begins with a 15-minute Zoom call where we get to know about your business and what you want to achieve from your new website. The purpose of this call is to understand your project goals and find out whether we are the right fit for each other or not. Because we only work with clients who we think we can really help. That's why this call is really important. The next steps is a discovery meeting, which usually takes around 30 minutes to 1 hour, again over Zoom. In this meeting, we will be looking at your website goals in more detail and talk about the features you want to include on your website. Here we try to understand why you need a new website and how it fits into the bigger picture of your marketing and sales. That allows us to know if you also need help with setting up any marketing or lead generation system. We also talk about who will be writing your website content. Some of our clients hire us to write the content for the website. This is totally an optional service. You can either write your own content or we can do that for you. When we have all your requirements in place, we will show you a proposal on the call and answer any of your concerns or questions you might have. Once you agree, you sign the proposal and pay the initial deposit. Then from there, we will book your project in our system and send you a schedule that outlines the dates and how we will work together going forward. In the next step, we take the time to do some in-depth research on your industry and your competitors. This will give us a good understanding of what you offer, who your customers are, what is their buying journey, and more. This will help us map out a successful plan to create your website that not only looks professional and is easy to use, but also educates your customers and make them trust your business and the services you offer. The next step is preparing the sitemap, where we will identify what pages will your website need as per your website goals, which will help us to ensure we are together on the same page and make sure nothing is missed. Next comes the most important stage of your website project, the content production. This is where you or your team will be writing the website content. And if you don't have resources to write effective content, our team can help you with that. Since it's very important that the content is well written, because it's only the words on your website that engages your audience and sell your services or offer for you. Once we're done with the content, our team goes into the background and designs the first mock-up of your homepage. The homepage is a key page of any website because it is the first page a visitor see when they arrive on your website. So it should be designed to make an impression and keep your prospects engaged in what you do. In the next stage, we send you the homepage design for review before we move further with the rest of the project. Your feedback on this stage is very important to us because we want to make sure everything is just how you want and agree that we are moving in the right direction. Once we have your approval on the home page, we then start designing the layouts of other pages like your About, Services, Projects Gallery, FAQs, Contact, and etc. The colors and styles of the rest of these pages will match the home page to make sure everything is consistent throughout your website. Once all these pages are designed, next comes another important stage of your project, and that is forms and CRM integration. This stage is crucial because it brings you leads and inquiries into your business, so it needs to be set up properly. So at this stage, we design your landing pages, ebooks, lead capture forms to collect your customers' details. And then we integrate those forms with your CRM, where all your incoming leads will be saved. And from there, you can run email marketing campaigns and automation to nurture your leads and prospect in your sales process. Now, the next stage of the project is testing and your final feedback. We test your new website on all major devices to ensure that it is up to date with current standards. We'll also identify any bugs or errors in your design that needs fixing. We also take your final feedbacks as well to ensure everything meets your expectations or you want any last minute changes. Once you're happy with how the website looks and performs, we prepare to go live. We follow our launch checklist to ensure that the migration of your new website goes smoothly without affecting the traffic of your current website. The migration just takes a minimum 1 to 2 hours, and we usually do this on a Friday afternoon when there is a minimum traffic to your current website and it does not affect much of your business activity online. After your new website is up and running, we submit your website to Google for indexing of your new website pages, which may take up a few days to index and save it to Google's database. Once your website is live, Next, you want to track the visitors that are coming to your new website. So in the next step, we integrate your Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel accounts. These are quite valuable tools where you will see the monthly performance of your website and the marketing campaigns that you're running. So now you own your brand new website that you can proudly share with everyone, your clients, peers, your leads, and your prospects. In the end, we hand over your website and share with you a document which is called your website owner manual that has all the necessary details of your website. However, our job does not end here. We are always available to support you. From there, if you need any help with running your ongoing marketing and lead generation campaigns, we can definitely prepare a monthly package for you and help you generate qualified leads and inquiries for your business. So, this was our entire process and the steps we take when we work together in creating your website off the ground and making it fully functional. I hope this video answered any of your questions about how we build websites and what you can expect at every stage of your project. If you want to have a chat with us, feel free to book a 15-minute call with me at signstuff.com/book. Thanks for watching this video. Have an amazing day.